Sharing the love.
Daisy.
Πάρε και αυτό το σκατό από την άκρη.
Little. I just pan the camera over and you just see her look at the camera like,
Luna.
yeah, Luna.
Luna Luneta. Luna Lunetti. Alright guys, hey, give her a chance.
The jealousy brigade.
Oh, look at the jelly. That is cute.
Daisy.
Fernie.
Of course, we have Shiloh and Grace and
Oh my god, look at these two lovers.
Shtonka. Has he tried to hump her yet?
No.
They just kiss?
They just kissed.
Oh, it's so romantic.
Oh my god. You guys.
You know that song from Lady and the Tramp?
What?
Do you remember Lady and the Tramp?
Yes.
This is the night, such a beautiful night.
But you can't nibble him. No, no, no. Wait, see, that's the problem. Ah. Ow. Okay, Nicola, you're not getting me SMS. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if I can zoom in, get some of this X-rated action.
Oh,
Oh, I can't.
I can't separate them. Laura's gonna have to adopt her.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Oh, they're actually licking each other's tongues. They're French kissing.
Oh.
This house is PG, please, not here. Get a room, you six.
They have. Ooh, no, no, but no, okay, fine. Right, we have to stop because I can't have her licking him anymore.
Blood orgy.